We're the Nihongo Club. Let's learn some greetings, okay?
From おはよう to おやすみ
With music, of course! Let's go!
Wake up, it's morning. Let's learn how to greet in Japanese. From sunrise to bedtime. Good morning, ohayo, ohayo. The sun is up, I stretch and yawn. Another sleepy schoolgirl dawn. Tie my ribbon, grab my bag. Running late, I wave and lag. Lunchtime's here. いただきます。いただきます。Say it before the very first bite. Respect the food, it feels just right. That curry hits the spot. ごちそうさま、ごちそうさま。I ate a lot. I see my friend in the schoolyard. Hi there. こんにちは、こんにちは。We talk and laugh between the bells. These simple words, they work so well. Time to go, the sun's low down. Books in hand, I walk through town. See you, I say with a little bow. さようなら。さようなら for now. The street lights shine and someone calls. I smile and wave beneath the halls. Konbanwa, konbanwa. Good evening glow, soft and slow. Back at home, I'm feeling light. Pajamas on and room dim bright. One last phrase before I sleep. おやすみなさい、おやすみなさい. From morning soft and starry night. With just one word we greet so right. Let's say them all, don't be shy. 日本語の挨拶で Hi and bye.
So, how was the video?
If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe.
More songs are coming soon, so stay tuned.